Now you see, मानो I have given you a sum something like this. चलो less than लेते हैं इस बार. Less than equals to 0. Can you solve this easily? Okay. Now what I am doing is, I am raising its power to 20. This is 201. This is 2000. This is say 10. This is say 11. Something like this is given to us. Now how to solve this? Big question. Okay. How to solve this? Okay. Now, first thing, remember it. Again, you find out the critical points in this kind of sums. So what are the critical points? -1, -2, 3, 1 and 2. You know how to find out the critical points? Right. Now all you do is, on a number line, you put the critical points in the ascending order. So I will write here -2, -1, 1, 2 and 3, right? Till this, it's okay. It's same. Now I am putting a positive sign in this case. As I told you, in the right hand side block, you should always start with a positive sign. Exactly, I have done the same thing. Now, there is a difference. What is the difference? Whenever you find that, you see, I have given a positive sign. Now you are moving in the left hand side. You are going to cross the critical point, what? 3. 3 has come from this factor, isn't it? उसका power देखो, right? उसका power देखो. अगर देखो कि power is even, make a note of this. It's very important. Otherwise you cannot solve this problem. If power is even, then don't change the sign. If power is even, don't change the sign. अगर power odd है, if power is odd, then change the sign. Is it clear? Change the sign. That is the only difference with the previous problems that we have done. In this case क्या करेंगे? जो critical point हम cross कर रहे हैं, वो critical point देखो कहां से आ रहा है. Not that कि numerator से आ रहा है कि denominator से आ रहा है, वो देखने का जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ देखो उसका power क्या है. If power is even, whatever sign is in your right hand side block, exactly copy that sign. Don't change the sign. अगर power odd है, then you change the sign. If it is plus, write negative. Minus, if it is minus, write positive. Okay. In this case, we are crossing the critical point 3. 3 came from here, जिसका power is even. So don't change the sign. मतलब positive है, positive ही रखो. Is it clear to everyone? समझ में गया? हाँ? Okay. Now you are crossing the point 2. 2 कहां से आए? यहां से आए. Not the denominator. यहां से आए. इस फैक्टर से आए. इस फैक्टर का पावर क्या है? Odd. Odd मतलब क्या? Change the sign. Odd मतलब change the sign. मतलब यहां पर प्लस है, you will write minus. Is it clear? Now you are crossing the point 1, which came from here. The power is even. Power is even मतलब जो sign है उसको repeat करो. Don't change the sign. Now you are crossing the point -1. -1 came from here. Again the power is even. Power even मतलब जो sign है वही sign रखो. Don't change the sign. Now I am crossing the point -2. -2 came from here. उसका power is odd. Odd मतलब change the sign. Negative था, positive लिखो. Is it clear? Absolutely clear? Okay. अभी sign क्या है यहां पर? Less than. Less than मतलब which block we will choose? Negative block. Write it down. Negative block, negative block, negative block. Then you do tuck, 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 tuck. So what will be my answer? -2 less than x less than -1, or 1 less than x less than 2, or -2 -1, -1 1 will also come, and -1 1. Is it clear? Now the question comes, there is an equal sign, so I have to put an equal sign. Okay. Never put an equal sign in case of those numerical values coming from the denominator. Will I put an equal sign over -2? Absolutely, because -2 is coming from the numerator. -1, yes. 1, no. 2, no. -1, yeah, it is coming from the numerator. 1? No, it is coming from the denominator. Is it clear? So what will be my final answer? X belongs to closed minus 2, closed minus 1, or closed minus 1, open 1, or open 1, open 2. Is it clear to everyone? Have you understood? So whenever this kind of problem is given to us, we will always check what is the power. If power is even, don't change the sign. If power is odd, change the sign. Now you can ask me one question. Then sir, why you have taught us in this way? Whenever there is an, these factors are there, you find out the critical points and then you do what? I taught you, give a plus, then minus, then plus, and this thing goes on. Why I taught you that way? Listen it carefully, look it carefully. Here, x minus 2 का power कितना है? 1. इसमें power कितना है? 1. मतलब powers are odd. Odd मतलब क्या होता है? Change the sign. इसके लिए I have started with a plus sign and then I have given a negative sign. Then I have given a positive sign and this thing goes on. Is it clear to all of you? That is why I have written alternate signs starting with plus. Because plus तो यहां पर भी हम लोग start किए थे. तो plus से start करो फिर alternate sign देते जाओ. क्यों? क्योंकि powers are odd. Is it clear? That is why I taught you in that way. So now you can remember the actual method of doing this sum. Whenever the power is even, don't change the sign. Whenever the power is odd, change the sign. And then follow the same method that I taught you. Is it clear to all of you? So these are what called your polynomial inequality. This is what is called your polynomial inequality. Polynomial inequality means, look it carefully, in every case, जितना भी सम्स अभी तक हम लोग किए हैं वहां पर तुम अगर देखो तो देखोगे कि इन द राइट हैंड साइड इट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0. मान लो कि राइट हैंड साइड 0 नहीं है, तब क्या करें? तब तुमको करना क्या है? इफ यू वांट टू यूज द नंबर लाइन मेथड, यू हैव टू गेट 0 इन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल टेक दैट फैक्टर इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, फैक्टराइज इट एंड देन गो फॉर इट. राइट हैंड साइड को 0 बनाना ही पड़ेगा. वो कैसे भी बनाओ, वो तुम्हारा मामला है. Okay, so right hand side अगर 0 बनेगा तभी तुम you can use that number line, otherwise not. Is it clear to all of you? Is number line clear to all of you? Okay.